inheritance is very important, especially when working with objects. In JavaScript, you create inheritance using the prototype chain. Here I have a function constructor to make a person. Then we add a method to its prototype. Then we have another function constructor that creates a student. Then we have other methods on its prototype. Now let's create person1. Then let's console log person1.print person. Then let's create student1. Then let's console log student1.print person. Great, it works. Let's also call print student. And great, it works. So you can see that it is working, but it is not the best solution. A student is a person, but here in our code, we're not having this relation between a student and a person. We have the name, the age, and the method printPerson that is repeated. Well, we can fix this with prototypal inheritance and make the student object inherit from the person object. So let's see how we can do it. Let's start off with the name and age properties. We can change these two lines, this.name equal to name, this.age equal to age, in the student maker function constructor to this. So person maker dot call, and we give it the context of this, which is a student. Then we give it name and age. We call the person maker with the call method and give it this student here. Then we give it the list of arguments, name and age. And now we can see that it is working fine. We have no problems. Let's move to the print person method. You can also see here that they are the same. So we have to make the prototype of the student point to the same prototype of the person. So let's remove this method from here. And now let's assign to the student maker prototype the person maker prototype. So this is how you do it. Student maker dot prototype equal to object dot create, and we give it person maker dot prototype. This is how it is done. And now it works properly. If we add a new method to the person maker prototype, for example person maker dot prototype dot greet, and we return hello plus this name, we can access this method from person1, and also we can access this method from student1. Great. So this is how inheritance is done in JavaScript. So I know at first it seems really difficult, but with practice it will become easy. Remember, practice makes everything easy.